The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does indeed specify a minimum distance that low-voltage lighting must be from the leading edge of an in-ground swimming pool. This requirement is clearly outlined to ensure electrical safety and prevent potential hazards associated with water and electricity. The specific section of the NEC that addresses this is Section 680.21. This section provides detailed guidelines and regulations concerning electrical equipment installed in or around swimming pools, including lighting. Section 680.21 mandates that low-voltage lighting fixtures must be installed at a minimum distance of 5 feet from the inside wall of the pool. This measurement is taken horizontally from the edge of the pool. This regulation applies to all low-voltage lighting, irrespective of whether the lights are ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protected. The presence of GFCI protection does not negate the necessity to adhere to the minimum distance requirement. This 5-foot rule is in place to create a buffer zone, reducing the risk of electrical shock in the immediate vicinity of the pool. Installing lighting fixtures closer than 5 feet to the pool's edge could potentially expose swimmers and individuals near the pool to dangerous electrical currents. This distance ensures a level of protection even if a fault occurs in the lighting system. It is very important for electrical contractors, installers, and homeowners to understand and comply with Section 680.21 of the NEC when installing low-voltage lighting around in-ground swimming pools. Failure to adhere to this regulation can result in serious safety hazards, potential code violations, and increased liability. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards and guidelines designed to ensure the safe installation and operation of electrical systems. It is updated regularly to reflect advancements in technology and evolving safety concerns. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local codes for the most current requirements. Understanding the NEC and implementing its guidelines is essential for protecting individuals from electrical hazards. It ensures that electrical installations are performed safely and correctly. When installing low-voltage lighting near pools, the 5-foot rule is paramount. This guideline safeguards against potential electrical shock hazards by establishing a safe distance between the lighting fixtures and the water. While GFCI protection is a crucial safety measure, it does not replace the need to comply with the minimum distance requirement. Both measures work together to provide a comprehensive safety net. Always verify compliance with the NEC guidelines. Low-voltage lighting systems offer benefits such as energy efficiency and reduced shock hazard compared to higher voltage systems. However, proper installation is still essential for ensuring safety. It's important to note that the NEC covers all types of swimming pools, including in-ground, above-ground, and storable pools. The specific requirements for electrical installations may vary depending on the type of pool and its specific characteristics. Before commencing any electrical work near a swimming pool, it is highly recommended to consult with a licensed electrical contractor. They possess the expertise to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and standards. This consultation is crucial for identifying potential hazards and implementing appropriate safety measures. Licensed contractors are trained to understand and interpret the NEC. They can provide valuable guidance on proper installation techniques and product selection. This ensures the safety of the pool and its users. Additionally, regular inspections of electrical systems around swimming pools are recommended to identify and address any potential problems or code violations. Inspections can help to ensure that the electrical system is functioning properly and that all safety measures are in place. The NEC isn't just a set of rules, it's a framework for creating a safe environment for pool users and preventing electrical accidents. By adhering to the NEC guidelines, you are actively contributing to the safety of yourself, your family, and your community. Section 680 of the NEC covers additional requirements related to swimming pools, including bonding, grounding, and the installation of underwater lighting. A thorough understanding of these requirements is essential for anyone involved in electrical work around swimming pools. It is important to remember that electrical work can be dangerous and should only be performed by qualified individuals. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is always best to hire a licensed electrician. This professional has the training, skills, and knowledge to safely and effectively complete the electrical work. In addition to the NEC, local codes and ordinances may also have specific requirements for electrical installations around swimming pools. Be sure to check with your local building department to determine the applicable requirements in your area. Following these requirements is crucial for avoiding code violations and ensuring the safety of your pool. Understanding the NEC is not only important for compliance, but also for promoting a culture of electrical safety. By sharing this knowledge with others, you can help to prevent accidents and save lives. Remember, electricity and water do not mix, and taking the necessary precautions is essential for ensuring a safe and enjoyable swimming pool experience. It's also crucial to ensure that all electrical equipment used near the pool is specifically designed and approved for use in wet locations. Using the appropriate equipment helps prevent electrical hazards and ensures the longevity of the system. Furthermore, regularly inspect all electrical cords and connections for damage. Damaged cords or loose connections can create a significant electrical hazard. Replace any damaged components immediately. When using extension cords near a pool, make sure they are rated for outdoor use and are properly grounded. Avoid using extension cords whenever possible and instead install permanent outlets in convenient locations. Consider the placement of electrical outlets around the pool carefully. They should be located away from the pool's edge and protected by GFCI breakers. This placement further minimizes the risk of electrical shock. The NEC is a living document that is constantly evolving to reflect the latest safety standards and best practices. Staying up to date on the latest changes is essential for ensuring compliance and maintaining a safe swimming pool environment. The NEC also provides guidance on the proper installation of equipotential bonding systems for swimming pools. These systems help to equalize the electrical potential in the pool area, reducing the risk of shock. Bonding involves connecting all metallic parts of the pool, such as the reinforcing steel, ladders, and diving boards, to a common grounding point. This helps to prevent voltage differences from occurring and reduces the risk of electric shock. Regular maintenance of the bonding system is crucial for ensuring its effectiveness. Check for loose connections and corrosion, and make any necessary repairs promptly. Consider adding additional layers of safety, such as installing a pool alarm system. Pool alarms can detect unauthorized entry into the pool area and alert you to potential emergencies. These alarms can provide an extra layer of protection, especially for families with young children. Educating yourself and others about electrical safety around swimming pools is paramount. Share this information with your family, friends, and neighbors to help create a safer community. Remember, electrical safety is everyone's responsibility, and by working together, we can prevent accidents and ensure a safe and enjoyable swimming pool experience for all. In summary, always maintain a minimum of 5 feet from the pool's edge for low voltage lighting as per NEC section 680.21. Ensure GFCI protection. Consult with licensed professionals. Regularly inspect your electrical systems. Educate yourself and others. These steps are fundamental to preventing electrical accidents around swimming pools. Safe electrical practices are essential, and the NEC serves as a valuable guide for ensuring the safety of everyone who enjoys these recreational spaces. Staying informed and proactive is key to preventing electrical hazards and creating a safe swimming environment. Remember that the information provided is a general overview and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and standards. The NEC is a complex document, and understanding all of its requirements can be challenging. A licensed electrician can provide valuable guidance and ensure that your electrical system is installed safely and correctly. By following the NEC guidelines and taking the necessary precautions, you can help to prevent electrical accidents and create a safe and enjoyable swimming pool experience for everyone. The goal is to create an environment where people can enjoy the benefits of a swimming pool without the risk of electrical hazards. The NEC plays a critical role in achieving this goal. And remember, safety is always the top priority.